Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shama if you guys don't know already, and I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. You are dealing with this quarantine and lockdown period nicely and stay safe. I really hoping that you are staying at home only and spending your quality time with your family. Yes, do let me in the comment section how you're dealing with. I'm so busy, to be honest, and you can see my YouTube channel. Like, I'm not that frequent on this channel because of, like, I have to give time to my daughter. And last video I guess I did was like my daughter is doing my makeup. That was quite funny and I hope if you haven't watched it, I will link somewhere. You can go and check, obviously. And you know what happened whenever I start my camera, she's like, I want to do your makeup again. And I'm like, again? We cannot do the daughter makeup tag every time, so it's very tough for me personally, especially such kind of videos, that makeup tutorial and everything. Making such kind of videos is quite tough these days. Cooking is still okay because I have to stand the camera in the kitchen and while doing all other chores you can do. So I just thought to not a makeup look, but just sit and talk kind of videos I can make for you guys, so that you will not be miss there and you will be like, okay, she's not uploading anything and I guess she has quit the YouTube. This is not the case. The situation is totally different from the previous, so that's the case. So if I cannot do makeup tutorial, at least I can do some other kind of content for you all. So title you have already read. Today I'm doing some empties, and now I will do such kind of videos regular on my channel, like my empties, I will buy or not, my regrets, and my worth buying products and everything, such kind of videos. So I just thought to start with this series. I don't have much products, so this is gonna be a small video, small empties, like products which I have emptied, yeah, in couple of months, like 3 or 4 months you can say. And will share with you all whether I would buy them again or not. So mostly they are skincare. Actually, skin and hair care only, nothing else, no makeup, because makeup is something I don't wear on daily basis. Majorly I wear for makeup tutorial or whenever I'm going, out for a big event or things like that. So makeup is something, if I buy, it goes for years. But skincare, obviously you can see on my face I don't have anything, just a serum and moisturizer, obviously. And this is the look. Like, I just apply some kajal and lip shade, that's it. Some people say like, okay, you don't know how to come on the camera and you don't get ready for that, this is not the good way to present yourself. But I feel like natural beauty is something, it's priceless. So, and I feel so happy and so light, actually. If I'm not wearing anything, I don't have to be like, okay, before going to bed I have to take care of my skin and everything. It's just like, okay, moisturizer, it's easy to do. And when I'm at home, right, like, this is my personal choice. I'm not saying that makeup is bad. I also do makeup videos and everything. I share my makeup tutorials and everything with you all. I'm not saying that, but I personally love. But I guess this is something like which is easiest part for myself, like just a better and best skincare can make your skin so glow. As you can see, I don't have anything, no highlighter, nothing. So enough chit chat, it's already been 3.5 minutes, so let's jump to the video. And I have few empties, so only this much. We'll start with hair. One hair shampoo and conditioner I'm using. It's not emptied yet, but in between I tried one which I got in my Look Fantastic box, and it emptied. And you won't believe, guys, where is the another. All right, so I just left this teeny weeny bottle in the washroom only. Okay, so this is the shampoo. Usually I use another shampoo on daily basis, like me and my husband both use that, the tree one, but it's 1 liter, so it will take some time to get empty, and then I'll show you. So this is the one I got in my Look Fantastic box, and I was like, I'll just try for once and will share, like, for a review purpose. But trust me, it's amazing. And once the lockdown is over, I'm going to order it soon. So yeah, this is the emptied one. And will it buy or not? So surely I'm gonna buy this shampoo and conditioner both, because it is really good. So maybe you will say like, okay, you can order online, but just because of this lockdown, we are just ordering grocery and necessity things, that's it. It is good, I'm gonna buy, but it is not that necessary, like I have to have. So it's not the case, but it's really nice. I will put the picture here and there, you can check. It's from Professional Sebastian Dark Oil. It's oil based shampoo. So if you have a dry scalp or dry hair problem, you can surely use. Even when you have oily scalps, that time also you can use, because sometimes what happen, your scalps tend to get oily, but your hair, it become dry when you use some harsh shampoo and everything. So in that case, you can use only one thing I just felt about it. If I'm using the tea tree oil, it lasts up to like 3 days, 3 or 4 days sometimes, okay, because it's on a darker side, dry side. But this oil, because it has oil, it has that, what we say, jojoba and argan oil. So because of that oily texture, I have to use it alternate days, but it makes my hair so smooth. If I'm not using conditioner, shampoo works so well. Like there is nothing like I have to use the conditioner only, or shampoo works so nice. So these are empty, and I'm surely gonna buy this. Yeah, so this was my this was for my hair care. Now let's move on to the skincare. So skincare, my serum. If you have seen my previous video, I'm like, I love sheet mask, I love face serums. So three face serums like have been used. This is the overnight. Let's start with this one. So this is the Pearl Essence. You have seen in my, I guess, almost 9 or 10 videos. Like I just love, I always sing a song for this serum, this much. Like I'm freaking in love with this serum, and it's overnight serum, quite on pricey side. And I was like, if I'll not get this serum, how I gonna survive? So this is the case with this. Because of lockdown, I can't get it, because I have to order it from Amazon or maybe some websites, and it is not UK based, so it takes time to deliver and everything. And I'm surely gonna buy this. Currently I'm not using any night serum. I'm just using a sleeping oil, which I have shown in my previous video. I will put here and there, you can check that. So I'm using that, and my Body Shop serum I'm using instead of this. They're working well, but I'm missing this serum. So this is this Empty finally, and it lasts, like I used it for almost an year, because 2 drops goes a long way. So yeah, these are 2 serums. This one, again, I have mentioned in my video, this is the generation 1, and you won't believe, guys, I got it from Amazon. I bought it from Amazon. Nothing is sponsored here though. This is vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera and green tea extract. Once you apply, you feel that tinge, like your skin gonna burn and everything. It works like magic on your skin. I can see, like, in my earlier days, I was like having some scars on my face, some blemishes and everything, and this serum works amazing. So I personally love this serum, but it's not that I have to buy now, but it works as a magic. If you will get somewhere, just buy it and try it once. I have so many other in my stock, so that is why I'm not going to buy it instant, but surely once everything is finished, I'm definitely going to buy it. So this is the second serum. The third serum is from E-Cooking. Again, I got this teeny bottle, 10 ml one, in my Look Fantastic box, and guys, this is amazing. This one I'm going to buy for my backup plan, because sometimes skin get too dry. Sometimes my skin is combination kind of dry skin, so I try to change serums and everything which has thick base or moisturizing, lot of moisturize in it. So it's a bit costly, but I will keep it for backup whenever my skin is extreme dry and it need that hydration and everything. For that reason, this serum works as a magic. For everything, I will put the name in the description box, and will click the picture and post somewhere so that you can check. Okay, now Suki. If you checked my birthday vlog, it's on this channel, on my main channel as well, so I will link that also, so you can check. I got this Sukin set of 3, like your CTM process, your cleansing, toner and moisturizer. So I have finished the face wash, and when the face wash is finished, like January, and it is April, I'll just started April, 125 ml. it's finished. Like, you can imagine how much I'm in love with this face wash, and it is amazing. It's for every skin type, works well on sensitive skin and everything, and it's paraben free. So this is the toner. It has a little bit in, I can use it for 2 or 3 times maybe, but they all finished, and I'm gonna buy these soon, really really soon. At least toner, like, if I'll not get in a set because it's costly, I have other face wash for now, but toner I'm surely gonna buy because toner is something I guess 4 or 5 times I use in a day. Yeah, how many times you use, do let me in the comment section. Okay, another toner is the Pixie one. Again, it is just like this generation, because it also has that it's glow tonic, and it has acid in 5% acid. Okay, so it tinge on your face, but it give you that within kind of glow. Works well. I have another Pixie Glow Tonic, that Rose Tonic, for a backup, so I'm not going to buy it for now. But once that one finish, we'll take. Okay, now so many people will ask me like, why so many different kind of toner? Again, this is just like a serum. My skin reacts so different. It keep changing in the reaction and everything. So when I'm applying makeup and everything, I try to use, some instant effective toners and everything, and this works well when you are applying makeup and everything. So for that reason, glow toner is finished. I have that rose one. Yes. Okay, this is again a teeny weeny. It is a teeny weeny. You will say, why you are showing such kind of product to us? First of all, I'm not doing disclaimer here, like a video is going to be end and now I'm telling you all. But yeah, this, I'm not showing you off anything. Things which I'm using, people ask me, you guys ask me like, Kshama, what you use, what is your favorite and everything. That reason first, and second thing, maybe if you have my skin type of texture, or maybe skin tone and everything, and if you're looking for something, maybe you can relate and buy. So that's the reason, that please do not relate with anything else that I'm showing off or anything. So this teeny weeny looks teeny weeny, but it is not. It goes long way. Okay, and it is a 10 ml, but you need just a pea size. It's a Prai, if I'm not wrong, platinum foam and lift cream. I'm like, it finished like a month ago, and that time I looked on the Look Fantastic to buy it, the big size, but that was not available that time. It wasn't that high, and now just because of lockdown I'm not doing. It's on pricey side, no doubt. Work as amazing. Like, my skin is glowing these days. I'm doing so much skincare and everything, but this cream is, you can apply on your bare face, no makeup, nothing. It just gives you that within glow, fake glow, but it looks like a real within glow. And moisturizer is something, it's sinking into your skin, so you need a good moisturizer, always. If it is on pricey side, sometimes cheap prices also, that moisturizer works well. Sometimes prices side, no matter in which range you are going, but it should be good, because makeup is something, it stick on the top of your layer, but the moisturizer goes into your skin. So you have to work on that, and look for a very good moisturizer. And this is the one I am going to buy this once the lockdown is over. So yeah, another 2 things left, and my daughter kept something in, I don't know what. Let me check. Game. Okay, so this is the elf one. This empty, and you won't believe, I've already bought another. Yes. Not the same one. This is Hello Hydration, and I got the daily moisturizer, hydration moisturizer. I have already got. I'm obsessed with elf these days, you guys won't believe. I'm like, I don't know why. Elf is not easy to get here. In some booths you will get, in some drugstore, not everywhere you can easily get elf products. And elf, they're really nice. If you haven't tried, like, what would I say, they're really nice. Just give it a try. Like, skincare and makeup range, everything, just like Makeup Revolution. Okay, they also have skincare and makeup range, both, and both are amazing. This is the Hello Hydration. This is also amazing. My skin, I guess number of times I have told, like, it is extreme dry kind of combination, but more of the time I feel it's dry and patchiness, and I want something which has tons of hydration in. This is also amazing. Amazing. Okay, last. This one, actually I got that Soap and Glory kit where was like a scrub, body wash, body butter and everything. It is a small size. It is, I guess, 100 ml or 50 ml, like 50 ml. Okay, but for body butter 50 ml is obviously it's a small size, but this butter is nice. Again, I have so many, so I'm not going to buy it for now, but it is in my list. Like if something is like not available, I can definitely try this. So this one is empty, and yeah, video being too long, it's almost 15 minutes. This is all about this. I was like, okay, 6 or 7 items are here, maybe it will finish in 6 or 7 minutes, but it never happened with me, so you have to bear. And yeah, this is how I am. If you like this video, what you have to do is like, share and subscribe, and do let me in the comment section what next video you want to watch, and subscribe to my channel, because you know, when I go on my analytics, yesterday I was just laughing, okay, 98% 98% people watching who haven't subscribed to my channel, only 2% subscribed. So if you guys will subscribe, it will help me, not in order to gain the money, but yeah, as much as you will like the video, shoot the comment in the below, and subscribe to my channel. It will help in my, you know, YouTube ranking. So please, if you watch the content, just click the subscribe button. It's totally free. It's not going to fill your memory. Okay, so yeah, that's it about this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, enjoy your time with your family.